Hi, I'm Gary. I'm with Jones Paint and Glass here in Provo, Utah. Today I'm going to talk about the maintenance of a screen and how to make sure that it's working properly in your window. First of all, you want to open the window, and generally speaking, you have clips on each side that allow you to be able to remove that, and springs to the inside that allow that to spring in. So by grabbing the top and the bottom, you can push in and the screen will release, and you can bring that to the inside. So the screen generally needs to, if it's worn like this, and you can see that this is quite loose, the fabric is loose, the tighter that is, the better performance you'll get out of it, but not too tight, or it tends to bow in the sides and you'll get bugs coming in around the edges. So in an instance like this, the best thing to do would be to replace the screen. You can see that it's quite worn. The other thing that you want to check for are the springs and make sure that that the spring is still good in those. Sometimes the tab will also come loose. There are some tools that you can use, and a tool simple like this, just a screen roller, can be bought from our location or from any box store, and that can just push that tab back in place by rolling that into that screen spline. If your frame is bent or the screen is completely missing, we can replace the whole screen by sending one of our technicians to your home to measure for the correct opening, make sure that it fits correctly, or you can bring a screen into our location and we can repair the frame, rescreen it, or build a complete new one. You can take a brush and you can brush some of the dirt off that's around the screen frame. You can also take some soapy water, if you like, and you can clean that screen to make the appearance look better than it does, so that it looks nice from the outside of your home when you're looking at your windows. And then again, to put that back in, just slip it back out. Make sure the screen goes in this channel or this groove right here. Make sure the spring side goes into that channel and it lines up top and the bottom. It's spring loaded. You can see that it moves. And then pull it in with the tabs, pulling towards you, and the screen's back in place.
When you hear the crash,